What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they're posted, link in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so please subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we're just letting you know YouTube is censoring our content currently from what we can tell. Our reach to new viewers is officially down around 80% lower than it was 1 month ago, so make sure to hit the like button. It just lets more people see our content. We've just hit 10k subscribers as well, so thank you all so much for your support. We make daily videos, so make sure to check back every day or join the free Telegram in the description to get updates of every video being posted. So if we just take a look at Ethereum here, we have outlined this channel that we have been trading upwards inside of for basically what is this? The past 1 to 1.5 years here. As you can see, this is the March 2020 March crash, as you can see, and since then we have been trading upwards inside of this channel here. It does look as though we actually came all the way down and pretty much perfectly tested the bottom of the channel here, although not quite. As you can see, down at around the $1,650 level mark, and then since then we have had a decent little bounce back towards the middle of the channel, but currently just chopping around inside this channel here. As you can see, we were having some slow growth for Ethereum over the course of 2020, and then as we moved into 2021, we did start a very nice little move upwards here. As you can see, we got pretty overextended to what we can tell only as the top of the channel here, and then obviously since then we've had this big correction to the downside where we dropped from around $4,400 all the way to around $1,700 before the bounce upwards to about where we are now at about $2,000. So obviously in the short term, things haven't been looking great for Ethereum. As you can see, we had this massive run up, obviously this huge sell-off. We had a bit of a bounce here and then a rollover. As you can see, we're having another bounce here, but it does look as though we are stuck under somewhat of a resistance that's causing us to basically get stuck and then start to roll over again, as you can see. But in our opinion, things are looking pretty good for Ethereum from what we can tell. Obviously it's not ideal, the price action in the short term here, but we do think in the long term Ethereum is going to be a top quality project, as we always say, and we do think it's going to do extremely well. And obviously when you're looking on higher timeframes here, as we always say, we are approaching extremely oversold territory for Ethereum right now. As we said, we're basically the most oversold now we have been since the March 2020 crash, and obviously you can see how this worked out. We had a big move to the downside, but within a few months we had fully recovered. And you could easily imagine if you just took a similar outlook of basically comparing this to this. Let's just look at the weekly time frame so it's a bit easier to compare them. As you can see, they do look fairly similar by my estimation. If you just take a look at what's happening here, we had the big run up obviously just like here, and then obviously the huge sell off just like this, and then there was a bit of chopping sideways on this one, whereas this one kind of fully recovered. But as you can see, there are similarities here from what we can tell, and we do think that Ethereum sooner or later is going to have a very big bounce because it is getting very oversold right now. And with all the fear in the market, obviously this is expected, but it's not actually sustainable for price action like this to continue, especially when you're in a bull market. We're not seeing any evidence that we're in a bear market right now. So by our estimation, everything's looking pretty good in our opinion. As you can quite clearly see here, we haven't even retested the 55 moving average yet. So currently we're probably just going to be ranging in between these two values, probably anywhere between this 1500 level to this 2,200 level. If we do keep rolling over, we could get caught between these two levels basically, and maybe break out of this formation that we have been forming over the past year. But so far it has stayed validated, as you can see, and we're currently trading at $2,050. So you can see we had a nice little bounce off this area that we did highlight here at around $1,700, which is a decent level of support. So it does look as though we may have found potentially a double bottom here, and we are getting very oversold right now. So if we do come back down again and test these lows, we're probably going to be trickling potentially into this extremely oversold territory on our RSI on the daily time frame. As we said, the last time that happened was the March 2020 crash. So in our opinion, the bears are getting very greedy right now, and as we said last time, we are going to start getting bounces to the upside if the bears keep getting this greedy. And in our opinion, this does seem more likely than not, considering how much bearish action we've seen. It does seem very likely there's going to be a quite a good bounce soon. So in our opinion, nothing wrong with Ethereum currently. Obviously, not nice to see all this bearish action, but the fundamentals have never been better. They're releasing updates all the time. And as you can see, we are getting decent bounces in good levels here at this around the $1,700 level, for example. So short-term price prediction for Ethereum. It's obviously very difficult to tell because everything is just following Bitcoin right now. If there's more FUD put out in the market to manipulate the price, we could be seeing everything fall back down again to retest lows. But obviously, if Bitcoin does start to get that big reversal that we have been calling for some time now, because it is forming a very, very big bullish divergence on the daily time frame, which is a strong sign of a reversal in our opinion. We are going to see a big boost for pretty much all coins if we do start to see Bitcoin run up again. Obviously, the price is being heavily suppressed right now from what we can tell, but this won't last forever. And we do think in the long term, Ethereum is going to do very well. Probably in the next year, we could imagine it could easily be 10K per token in the next year or so, considering all the upgrades that it's bringing out. Ethereum 2.0 is on the horizon now. We are releasing all kinds of new updates, EIP 1559. Which is essentially upgrading the network so that the fees no longer go to miners, but basically it's going to reduce the cost of transactions, etc. by a lot, and it's just going to make the ecosystem a lot better in general. So the more usable it is, the more use it's going to get. And obviously that means that the network as a whole will probably grow much better over time. So we do think Ethereum is going to do extremely well in the long term. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.